Welcome to our detailed overview of SwapSpace, a powerful cryptocurrency exchange aggregator designed for anyone looking to seamlessly trade crypto without the hassle of registering on multiple platforms. SwapSpace brings together some of the best crypto exchanges in one interface, letting you compare rates and select the one that best suits your needs. With no need for lengthy signups, the platform allows you to exchange over 700 cryptocurrencies instantly, with a simple and intuitive process. Starting is easy. Visit the website, select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, and input the amount you want to swap. The platform will display exchange offers from its partners, such as Changelly, SimpleSwap, and more, ranked by price, speed, or user reviews. Once you select an offer, you'll be guided through secure steps to complete the transaction. You only need to provide your wallet address for the receiving cryptocurrency, ensuring maximum privacy and convenience. SwapSpace doesn't charge extra fees on top of what its exchange partners apply. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. SwapSpace stands out not only for its ease of use, but also for its transparency. It doesn't require you to store funds on its platform, reducing the risks associated with centralized exchanges. Moreover, its interface is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders, with helpful tools like live charts, detailed coin info, and support for fiat to crypto trades. SwapSpace even provides fixed-rate options to protect your swaps from sudden market volatility. The platform's robust customer support is available 24/7 to ensure a smooth trading experience. Whether you're swapping Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin, SwapSpace aims to be a one-stop solution for fast and reliable crypto exchanges. Its partnerships with leading exchanges mean you're guaranteed competitive rates, and diverse trading pairs. To ensure security, SwapSpace leverages its exchange partners' infrastructure while continually monitoring the platform for suspicious activities. Whether you're looking to trade in large volumes or simply make a quick swap, SwapSpace caters to all your needs efficiently and securely. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed crypto content, and share this video with anyone interested in streamlined crypto trading.